What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be discussing 3 reasons why I hate my Owlcam. Now, this is specifically the first generation Owlcam. Now, before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. Before I start going off about the things I don't like about the Dashcam, let me give you a brief history about the company. So at one point, Owlcam was owned and operated by a company called Owlcam. But around late 2019 to 2020, early 2020, it was acquired by a company called CallPass. And I believe, in my opinion, that CallPass did a horrible job with its acquisition of Owlcam. Let me explain. Here's why I say this. When Owlcam was acquired by CallPass, CallPass shortly began releasing newer versions of the Dashcam, but with this time, it had internal parts that can be supported by CallPass if there was any warranty claims that were needed by customers. But in the meantime, there seemed to be no care whatsoever in retaining the current and previous Owlcam customers that had the first generation Dashcam. There seemed to be that during that acquisition, there was no care at all about how we can provide a discount to keep the current customers engaged with us and continue to buy our Owlcam products, the new and improved ones. There was nothing, not even a 50% discount. There was also the ordeal that while this whole acquisition was taking place, we as Owlcam customers stayed months without any support that we can get for our Dashcams. Another reason I don't like my Owlcam Dashcam is because of the amount of performance issues I'm experiencing, including of which is that the camera freezes a lot, even under normal weather conditions. It can be 60 or 70 degrees outside, sunny, beautiful, and it would still freeze. So that is just really annoying. Another thing is the sensor becomes erratic at times. And when I say erratic, I mean erratic. As soon as I turn on the car and it senses a little bit of vibration, I get multiple notifications saying that my vehicle was possibly involved in an accident or a crash or somebody bumped into it. And that becomes also very annoying. Also, the interior camera on the display screen that you see on the camera itself, on the Owlcam Dashcam, turns blue. And I'm not sure why that is. It actually stays blue and staticky for a couple of hours, and then it fixes itself. So I'm not sure whether it's something with the sensor within the camera, but that is also another issue. Finally, I had several issues with the app itself, including of which is if I'm trying to save a clip that my Dashcam recorded, it doesn't show up in my saved library or my favorites library until maybe a half hour to an hour after, which is so long. So if I'm trying to save that clip to share with a police officer regarding a traffic violation, regarding an accident, I have to wait there for a half hour to an hour to get access to that clip. And that's just not convenient, it's not smooth, and it just takes so long to process that clip. The final reason I don't like my Dashcam is because it is overpriced, and I really do believe that. I pay $20 a month in order for me to access AT&T's LTE network and to have that data plan with the Dashcam so I can access my videos and clips over the cloud. And it's just, you would think it's nice and convenient, but like I said, I do have issues with the app, so it's not always that convenient. But I still pay the $20 a month. If you add that up for the year, $240 a month that goes just towards the data plan for your Dashcam. So I've had this camera now for about 2.5 or 3 years, let's just say 3 years to be safe. And for the 3 years, I paid approximately $720 in data. And that is just a lot when you think about it. That's a lot of money to pay for a Dashcam, not including the fact that I purchased this camera for approximately $300 to begin with. So overall, over the last 3 years, I spent $1,000 on my Dashcam. So a few key things before I end the video. This was just my experience with CallPass as a company and the Dashcam. Now the Dashcam, like I already mentioned, is a first generation Dashcam, so I cannot speak on how their latest Dashcam, which I believe is the 5.0 model, how it works and if there's any issues with it. But if you own one, and if you dealt with Owlcam, just like myself, let me know your experience in the comment section below. So this was my video on the 3 things that I don't like about my Owlcam. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, let me know your experience down below. But I hope you have a great day. Take care.